Here's an example of the same HTML code from the example with the actual web page. So we see all the tags, the function calculate up here at the top, our variable declaration, where we specify in the assignment statement that our variable department equals the document, which is the current web page, get element by ID, department value, department, and then the value, property, ending with a semicolon. Then we have our if structure, which is asking the question, which is a Boolean question. It's going to return true or false. If the department variable now, which holds the content from the department text box that somebody typed in, is it equal to marketing? So we have two equal signs in Java based languages, C-based languages, checking to see if it's marketing, MK, in double quotes because it's text. And then you see an open curly brace are commands that are to run in the case that it is true, and then a closed curly brace at the end. So notice that the alert, which shows a message box up on the screen, and what we are messaging out is the department. Then we have the end curly brace for the overall function. Down into our HTML is a tag for one text box, and then a tag for another text box, the department one, and then our button finally. That has an unclick event, and what we are saying here is that when the button is clicked, we should run the calculate function that is specified above in the script. So if we see this in the web page, to type in a name, which doesn't really matter because we are not actually doing anything with the name, but department, if I put in MK and then I click the button, I get a message box. It just says MK. That's all I told it to say, just the department. And if I click OK, and if I were to type something else in there besides MK, let's say somebody works in the engineering department, and I click the box, we don't get anything because we didn't say what we should do in the situation where it was not true. So we could have an else statement, and we could edit our code, but that's the basic foundation of seeing the code and then seeing it implemented in the web page.